In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT lagging 2026 full guide. If your chats feel slow, it usually comes down to a few predictable causes: long conversation histories that weigh down the interface, browser overhead, inefficient model choices, cached site data that's gone bad, and extensions that interfere behind the scenes. I'll walk you through practical fixes that keep your workflow responsive without losing your progress. First, address what I call thread bloat. As a conversation grows, the page has to handle the entire history every time the AI replies, which can make the interface sluggish. Here's the clean reset that preserves context. Ask the assistant, summarize everything we have discussed so far in detail so I can start a brand new chat with all the necessary context. Copy that summary, open a new chat, and paste it as your first prompt. You'll keep the essential details while dramatically reducing the rendering load. Use this anytime a thread starts to feel heavy. Next, move from your browser to the native desktop app. Browsers add extra layers that consume memory and CPU. Head to chatgpt.com/download and install the application for your operating system. The native app can use your system's GPU and RAM more efficiently than a tab, and it enables fast mode by default. Keep the app updated to benefit from performance optimizations as they roll out. Now make sure you're using a lightweight, fast model for everyday work. Open the model switcher in the top left and choose GPT 5.3 Fast or GPT 4o Mini. These are tuned for responsiveness and are ideal for general writing and coding. Avoid legacy or heavy pro models for simple tasks. They require more processing and can experience higher latency during peak times. If the interface still drags, perform a targeted cleanup of site data. You don't need to gig-jaw wipe your whole history. In Chrome or Edge, click the padlock next to the address bar, open cookies and site data, then manage on-device site data, and delete entries for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. In Safari, go to Settings, Privacy, Manage Website Data, search for OpenAI, and remove it. Reload the site and sign in again. This clears corrupted cookies and local storage that often cause slowdowns. Finally, audit your extensions. Many add-ons that enhance ChatGPT actually inject code into every response. Disable third-party prompt or export tools in your browser's extension settings. Then test in an incognito or private window. If the lag disappears, you've found the culprit. And that is all for today. Keeping your threads short and using the native app are the best ways to keep your AI workflow lightning fast. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.